Hello foodies, welcome back to Rahman's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you delicious chicken dum gravy. Chicken is a versatile envy, we can make various dishes. So why late? Let's go and see the ingredients first. Here I have taken half kg chicken, mostly leg pieces, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, curd 4 tablespoon, green masala in which I have added chilies, coriander and mint leaves, fried onions 1 big size onion, some spices, salt, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, chicken masala. Here I have taken some oil, butter. You can even take oil or ghee in that place. Now take the chicken, add lemon to it. I have taken one large size lemon. Now I am adding green masala. I have coarsely grinded it, the chilies. If you wanna reduce your spices, you can take less amount of chilies here. Now I am adding curd. Now mix well. Always for this gravy, dum gravy, prefer leg pieces or biryani size pieces only. Mix it well so that the lemon and curd equally distributes to all the pieces. Now I'm gonna add fried onions. Only half of the fried onions I'm going to add in the marination part, and the later half I will keep it for before cooking. We'll just sprinkle on over the chicken. Now I will add all the spices. Here I have taken rose petal in the spices, and also the bay leaves and all the clove, cinnamon and cardamom. If you want to reduce your spiciness in your chicken or in your dum gravy, you can reduce these spices, garam masala and some of the chili powder also. Now mix all the ingredients equally. At one point we can't mix it with a spoon, so I'm using my hand here. Wash your hands, be safe. Wash your hands thoroughly, frequently, as we are running with this corona time. Mix it well. Let the gravy equally distributes to all the pieces. Now I'm adding butter and some of the oil. The oil I have taken here is the fried onions oil, and I'm adding some butter to it. I thought it is hot, but it has been warm up, but my butter is not getting uh, dissolved in it. You can directly add, no issues. Now I'm gonna add this oil or butter to the chicken. Now add this equally to all the pieces, and I'm going to leave this for the marination for about 1 or 2 hours. See, here in this chicken dum gravy, marination is very important. The curd and all the things should get deeply enhanced into the chicken. See, after marination how good it is looking, the pieces and all. Now take a heavy bottom pan, apply some oil in the bottom, and I'm gonna arrange all the pieces compactly. So let us start with big pieces, like I'm using first leg pieces. Always for the dum items, whatever you cook for the dum item should be always give in a packed condition. Then it will give you more enhanced taste, and the taste will be elevated, and the pieces also will be cooked very softly. So here see how I'm arranging very compactly, and always prefer a low surface of your pans. If it is very small pan, it will be good effect for your dum. Now somewhat I'm preserving for next layer. Now as I told you, the fried onions I have preserved, that I'm sprinkling here. And in the in the fried onions also, some I'm keeping again for the second layer. Now add the remaining chicken and gravy as a layer on the top of the onions. Actually this gives a taste of chicken biryani pieces. It will be very delicious. You all must try it. Now see, all I have added my chicken and the gravy. All the gravy I have transferred into the pan. Now I'm adding the remaining fried onions also. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes on high flame, and then transfer it to the low flame for about 30 minutes. Here the time is very important. 5 minutes for high flame and low flame 30 minutes. As it is a dum, I am applying some dough here. I have prepared some dough to avoid the vapors to go out. So always the dum should be cooked packly or compactly. As I told you, the vapors should not be get out. So after 30 minutes, see, it's almost done. The oil has separated. So the best thing is the oil should be separated. That is the end part. Now I'm going to give the smoky flavor to the chicken, which is the best part of this dish, which will enhance the taste of your chicken. See, I have taken the charcoal, which is already heated. Now I'm adding desi ghee and close the lid. Let all the fumes will be incorporated into the chicken. Now after some time, let all the fumes will be reduced. Now you should have to remove your charcoal from that pan. The best part of this whole chicken is, first is marination, and then the other one is giving smoke. So these two will be enhancing your chicken flavor in your chicken gravy. So don't miss these parts. See how soft the chicken has been cooked, and this gravy you can take with roti, pulao or any bread. Usually at Hyderabadi marriages, the chicken gravies like green gravies or chicken red chicken gravy, like that they will be serving with the bread. So from that I have inspired, I have done this. Hope you all like it. See how soft it is. Exactly 30 minutes is enough to get a chicken well cooked. So here comes your soft and chicken and yummy chicken. So I can't wait to eat it. All of you go try it, and please comment me your and please write me your comments about your chicken gravy. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye bye.